Hello everyone, I'm Fennie from CATERBE in Wuhan. Our company is the largest construction machinery export group in China. Today we are great honor to visit CHENGLI Special Automobile Community, which is a company has more than 1,000 employees and has established for 20 years. It's a big manufacturer producing all kinds of special trucks. It is famous for 300 types of trucks. Okay, please follow me to have a look. Every platform truck with telescopic arm can be reached to 22 meters. Widely used in municipal transportation, electricity, and other industrial installation and maintenance operation. The whole vehicle is easy to work and has a wide range of operation. The operation pockets and rotary seats are equipped with operating devices, hydraulic system interlocking on and off the car, proof internal protection, and high safety performance. This is 12 meters area platform truck. This model has a maximum working height of 12 to 18 meters with tubular sheet platform and weight load 200 kilograms. The overall dimension of this platform on length, width, height is 7.6 meters, 1.9 meters, and 2.9 meters. And then let's focus on its engine. The engine model is CY4102C3F, which conforms to emission Euro 3, and the chassis model is EQ1042, and the maximum speed is 95 kilometers per hour. Okay, that's all for our list products. We also have other brands products. If you have any needs, please contact me at any time. That's all. See you next time. Bye.